He tried to control a robot vacuum with a PS5 controller, then 7,000 homes appeared. What would you do if a harmless weekend project suddenly gave you access to thousands of homes around the world? That is reportedly what happened when software engineer Sammy Asdufel tried to control his DJI Roamrobot vacuum with a PlayStation 5 controller. He only wanted to drive it like a remote-controlled car, but his homemade software revealed a serious authorization flaw in DJI's cloud system. Instead of connecting only to his machine, the system exposed roughly 7,000 robots across 24 countries. The researcher said it could allow remote control, access to live camera and microphone feeds, room maps, and approximate locations. A device designed to clean your floor could potentially become a moving surveillance camera inside your home. Asdufel reported the problem and G-Shoot server-side fixes. But the larger lesson remains: every smart home product with the camera, microphone, map, or cloud account creates an irreplaceable doorway into your private life. Before buying one, ask what it records and whether remote can be disabled. Now move from the living room to the battlefield. The Pentagon has been pressing major IT companies to make their systems available for broad lawful military use. That can include intelligence analysis, battlefield planning, weapons development, and other high-stakes missions. Anthropic resisted removing restrictions involving fully autonomous weapons and mass domestic surveillance, while other companies, including Elon Musk's Xi, expanded their government partners. This does not prove a chatbot is causing targets, but the line between commercial AI and military infrastructure is thinning. The debate intensified after the Wall Street Journal reported that Anthropic's Claude was used through Palantir systems during the January 2026 U.S. operation that captured former Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro. Reuters could not independently verify Claude's exact role. We still do not know whether it translated communication, organized intelligence, compared scenarios, or did something else. And that uncertainty matters. AI may influence real operations before citizens understand where it was used, what it recommended, or who remained responsible for the final decision. Meanwhile, the race to copy advanced AI is accelerating. Anthropic says DeepSeek, Moonshot AI, and Minimax created about 2,400 fraudulent accounts and generated more than 16 million interactions with Claude. The alleged goal was model distillation, using answers from a stronger system to train a cheaper competitor. Distillation is a legitimate engineering myth. The controversy is using fake accounts, bypassing restrictions, and doing it at industrial scale. For Americans, this is more than a Silicon Valley business dispute. Advanced reasoning, coding, and cyber capabilities can spread faster than chip export controls can contain them. Not every breakthrough is about surveillance or war. MIT researchers built a multi-material 3D printing platform that produced a working linear electric motor in about 3 hours. The estimated material cost was only 50 cents. The printer combined conductive ink, magnetic materials, rigid plastic, and flexible material in one process. The motor still needed magnetization after printing. So this is not a complete car engine from a desktop machine. But it could help small manufacturers create specialized parts faster. Healthcare is changing too. Superpower is marketing an AI-powered doctor that organizes lab results, symptoms, medications, lifestyle information, and wearable data to a continuous health record. The company says clinicians review important cases. The promise is clear. AI does not forget the blood test you had 8 months ago. The risk is equally clear. Medical data is deeply personal. AI can be confidently wrong. And no consumer app should replace a licensed physician or emergency care. The useful future is AI helping doctors notice patterns while humans remain accountable. Another headline sounded even more alarming: toxic chemicals in headphones. An EU-funded campaign tested 81 headphone models, sold mainly in Central Europe, and found substances of concern in every product. BPA appeared in 98% of samples, along with other bisphenols, phthalates, and flame retardants. But that does not mean every headphone is poisoning its user. The project measured chemical presence, not the dose entering the body, and many findings were at trace levels. It was also not a complete survey of products sold in the United States. The report still raises fair questions about long skin contact, heat, and sweat, especially for people who wear headphones all day. The reasonable response is not panic. It is better testing, clearer material, disclosure, and stronger consumer standards. Now consider a technology designed to outlive almost everything we use today. Microsoft's Project Silica stores data inside glass with ultra-fast lasers. Researchers demonstrated about 4.8 terabytes in a plate, only 2 millimeters thick, roughly 2 million printed books. Accelerated aging tests suggest the information could remain readable for more than 10,000 years at room temperature. This is not a replacement for your laptop's SSD. Reading it requires specialized optical equipment, and the system is meant for archives, cloud providers, scientific records, and cultural history. But it could preserve knowledge without copying it to a new drive every decade. Even education is being redesigned. Japan's Wish High launched online tutoring taught by real instructors who appear as animated VTuber characters. It targets high school students who lack access to traditional tutoring, with courses costing around $60 per month. To some Americans, an anime teacher sounds like a gimmick. To teenagers who already learn through YouTube, Twitch, and Discord, it may feel normal. The real test is whether students actually learn. Finally, Samsung and Google are pushing smartphones toward an AI operating system. On the Galaxy S26 series, Gemini and other assistants can perform multi-step tasks across apps, summarize information, and prepare actions such as booking a ride while leaving final confirmation to the user. That is a major shift. Your phone is no longer waiting for you to tap every button. It is beginning to interpret your goal and operate software for you. The convenience could be enormous. So could the questions about permissions, screenshots, personal data, mistakes, and control. From a robot vacuum that exposed thousands of homes, to glass that may preserve civilization's memory for millennia. The same pattern keeps appearing. Technology is gaining access, memory, and agency faster than our rules can adapt. Which development should excite us most? And which one should worry us most? Share your answer in the comments. Subscribe for clear technology stories without the hype. And I will see you in the next video.